popular size baker, the 9x13 from Temp-tations. Now, the only thing I'm not showing you is the plastic storage cover that comes along with this, but I wanted to grab Woodlands because, oh hey, we've got Woodlands. We've got so many of your favorite colors. We've got so many of your favorite patterns, but I need to let you know that this is also on sale pricing. And that sale pricing is indicating that this is going to FLY out of the building. What you don't want to do is wait. You want to grab what you need and do it quickly because we've got a lot to offer you, but not much quantity in all the different choices and colors. So let me walk you through what is available. Now in Woodlands, we are shipping the Woodlands, all three color choices, on $331. So in the Woodland, I've got it for you in the white. Do not wait on the white. It always goes first. Then I also have it for you in the taupe, about 1,000 in the taupe, and then I have it in the gray, 1,000 there. Polka dot can ship right now, and I have it in taupe and gray. $350 in taupe, $550 in the gray. Now, down below is floral lace. Now, floral lace is shipping April 10th. And in the floral lace, I've got it for you in cranberry, black, blue, red, and gray. And the old world shipping $331. I've got it for you in the gray, in the taupe, in the confetti, in the blue, and in the green. We just got very, very busy with 500 people jumping on the phone line, so please utilize QVC.com in your mobile app. Remember, this is America's #1 most popular baker, and I'll remind you, it comes with the plastic snap-on storage cover. Let's welcome in Tara Tescher. She is the president and CEO of Temp-tations. Joins us now live via Skype from her kitchen. Miss Tara, as predicted, this one is already starting to fly. Everybody needs a new 9x13, and this one's deep.
It is deep. And whether you have one and you need another one, absolutely, this is going to be your go-to because it's in our fabulous stoneware, David. So a lot of times we have glass, we have metal. Glass is hard to clean. Metal, you know, it buckles in your oven. You can't control the heat. What I love about cooking in our Temp-tations stoneware is the fact that the heat hugs your food. So yes, you have that great depth. You have that snap-on storage cover where we talk about prepping, cooking, serving, and storing all in this one dish. You're not transferring from dish to dish to dish. Brownies, lasagnas, cakes. We did an adorable spring cake, David, in our gorgeous Woodland. As you mentioned, one of our newer members to the family, and you love it. We did a beautiful spring cake where I was able to take my KitchenAid hand mixer, mix right up inside there. Look at how pretty that is. Bake it, take it out, ice it. Now I can go ahead and cut from it and serve from it. That is the magic and the beauty behind Temp-tations.
Oh wait, Tara, did you say I could mix right in this baker?
It's as if it was on demand. You certainly can.
Come on, look at this. I can actually get in here with my KitchenAid mixer and I can mix up the batter in the same vessel that I'm gonna bake in. This is what's pretty incredible about this. Don't miss out on this opportunity. We are getting very, very busy on our phone lines. What I also want to let you know is that this is a deeper vessel. You've got lots of opportunity. Like we did a cake in the floral lace here, Tara. Much taller. In fact, I believe we have a comparison cake. Do we not? Is it down front? Oh, it's down behind. Sorry. Here it is. Now, Tara, this is pretty interesting. Look at this. Now, here's a 9x13 metal pan, okay? Still a 9x13, but if we shoot this from the side, you're gonna see right away that there's a big difference in thickness, in depth. I mean, your cake is so much taller and more gorgeous, right?
Well, yeah, because again, 4-quart total capacity. You know, the metal, it's hard to control the heat, right? The heat buckles in the oven. Our pieces go in the oven up to 500 degrees, which means you can broil in them. This is truly one dish cooking. So David, I'm able to not only bake a delicate, beautiful cake and ice it, but I can put it through the paces and make a gorgeous ham and have all of my vegetables cut up around it and bring it to the table in one dish. So I'm not using bowls to mix. I'm not using a baking dish that can go in the oven. This is the baking dish. I'm not getting my fine china when I want to bring it to my table. This is my fine china. Oh, and by the way, when I have leftovers, I'm going to snap that storage cover on it, put it back in my fridge and freezer till I'm ready to reheat my leftovers the next day.
Now, Tara, it's important for everyone to know 1,500 of these are already gone. I have 1,200 customers on the phone lines. So if you're looking to place an order, please utilize QVC.com and your mobile app. Your two quickest ways to get through right now, your best ordering experience. No matter what color or pattern you order, you receive this plastic snap-on storage cover. Now, I'm going to just caution you that Woodland is our newest pattern and is also very, very popular. Now, in the Woodland, we're shipping on 3/31. Now, here you can see that beautiful Woodland pattern, and if you want the white, I have 1,100 remaining in the white. In Woodland, I also have it for you in taupe, 900 in the taupe, and finally I have it in the gray, fewer than 1,000. In polka dot, which ships now, I have, and there's no advanced order coming in for polka dot, so when we sell out of the immediate shipment polka dot, it'll come off the table. Here's taupe, 150, here's gray, 250, and then that will be all she wrote for polka dot. Now, I'm going to update you on the other choices as we go through. Floral Lace is delivering April 10th. Here's the red, or excuse me, cranberry, 500, black, 800. Here's the blue, 2,100, most popular. Here's the red, 900, and then finally the gray, 950. In the old world, here's gray, 850, taupe, 950. Tara's most popular and favorite is the confetti, 1,600, the blue, 1,200, and green, the color that started it all. Now fewer than 1,000 to go around. We are very, very busy, Miss Tara. 2,800 ordered in this show. We've got so many people waiting to place an order. In fact, 1,300 people waiting to get through. Others are rushing to get this into their shopping cart on QVC.com. You do not want to miss out on this opportunity. We've got all your great colors, but they're clicking out of here with every passing moment. Now, Tara, look what I've got right here. A great big David-sized lasagna. Okay? Out of the oven, nice and warm. I can get in here and make a David-sized portion. Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
Look at that.
And I love that nothing's going to stick. So no butters, no oils, no extra added fats. Literally, all of those ingredients. Look how ooey gooey. The heat actually hugs your food, David. So you have the most beautiful caramelization of all of those great flavors, and it literally pops right out of that baking dish without the sticking that we're so used to. I did an ooey gooey cobbler here, a cherry cobbler that you don't have to worry about. I even did kind of like a little seafood station where I put ice underneath. This was my mom's great idea. So all of your seafood, so thinking about taking this out to the back deck, the patio, when the weather's getting warmer, as we're talking about it, now you can keep your cold things cold as well as your hot things hot. But who doesn't love a sale? I love that this is the baker for everybody, exactly what you said, which is that it is America's #1 dish, 4-quart capacity, and you can do everything from your brownies to your cobbler, to your seafood. Anything you can think of, you can do in this dish.
Well, Tara, I'll tell you, I got a piece that was very large, and then I needed a bigger plate or a bigger spatula. I'm not sure which. But I am determined for you to see the no sticking. So we're going to bring a camera right over on top of this. Just swing one of those cameras in here, folks. And there you can see, look at that, no sticking on the inside of that vessel. That is what we love about Temp-tations. That glaze on the inside makes each piece virtually non-stick. Something as ooey gooey cheesy as lasagna is not sticking. Now, Tara, I've got some updates. Both of our polka dot choices, not one, but both, are gone. All gone.
Oh.
Yeah, because there is no advanced order in that polka dot, so bear in mind that. Over 4,000 now gone. Let's talk about Woodland, and Woodland is shipping on March 31st. I have 650 left in the white, in the taupe, 750, and then the gray, 850 in the gray. Now, let's move to Floral Lace, shipping April 10th in the cranberry. 400, the black, 750. Here's blue, 1,800, but runaway most popular. Here's red, 700, and finally the gray, 900. Now, Old World is shipping on 331. Here it is in the gray, 800, the taupe, 900, the confetti, 1,400, then I've got it in blue, 1,100, and finally the green, 950. In this show, we've taken orders for 4,500, and how many people still waiting on the lines? 1,500 people. waiting to place an order right now. So I can't ask you strongly enough to utilize QVC.com in your mobile app. Miss Tara, we're super excited about not one, but 2 big hours tonight.
Yes, can't wait. All special pricing. And I think 7 or 8 brand new items, David.
And that'll come up at 10 o'clock tonight. 2 big hours from 10 to midnight. You will, you're batting cleanup tonight. You'll bring the whole show home, right?
Can't wait.
Looking forward to that. In the meantime, enjoy your afternoon and grab yourself some lunch. And we'll be sure to join Tara tonight, 10 o'clock, for 2 big hours of Temp-tations, all with special sale pricing. All right. Take care, sweetie. Love your gloves, by the way. Love those gloves, by the way.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Little
fantastic.
nautical.